I hope you are very well, and welcome to this series of SolidWorks tutorials. For this first video, we will learn how to draw a sketch and use the following commands: sketch fillet, smart dimension, extruded boss base, and extruded cut. This is a drawing of the part on which we will base in order to make the 3D design in SolidWorks. To begin, we go to the program, we click on New, Part, and Accept. Once the program interface is open, before doing anything else, the first thing to do is go to the bottom of the interface to configure our document in millimeters. Once this is done, we go to Sketch tab and click on the command Sketch. As we can see, 3 planes appear, in which we are going to draw the sketches that will shape our part. On this occasion, the most convenient thing is to choose the top plane. We click on it, and as we can see, in the middle part of our screen, an origin appears, which will help us to give the necessary measurements to our piece. Then, we go to the Sketch tab and click on the small triangle that is next to the rectangle command. A list will be displayed and we will select Center Rectangle. We click on the origin and begin to span the rectangle. Then, we will select the Smart Dimension command, and according to the plane, the size of the square will have a measure of 150 millimeters. Subsequently, we click on Accept, and the next command that we will use will be the Sketch Fillet. We click on it and select the lines on which we want the fillet to be made. And according to the plane, this radius will have a measurement of 20 millimeters. We click on Accept, and with this we will finish our first sketch. As we see, the outline of the sketch turns black. This tells us that the sketch doesn't need any measurements, and therefore it has been completely defined. The next thing is to add a third dimension to the sketch. We go to the Operations tab and select the command Extrude Base Boss. According to the plane, this will have a measurement of 100 millimeters. We click on Accept. Later, we are going to use a command called Shell. This command will remove the material from one face, leaving a wall with a measurement that we specify. In this case, according to the plane, the wall will have a measurement of 10 millimeters. We click on Accept, and as we can see, a shell has already been made to our piece. The next step is to click on this face, New Sketch, and we draw a circle. We click on Accept, and now we select the Smart Dimension command. According to the drawing, the measure that this circle will have with respect to this line will be 70 and 5 millimeters. The measurement between the center of the circle and this line will be 50, and the circle will have a diameter of 30. And as we can see, our sketch is totally defined. Now, we will go to the Operations tab and we will choose the command Extrude Cut. This operation will remove material from our piece. Here, we change the configuration and select True All. We click on Accept, and as we see, a hole has been formed in our piece that crosses both walls. After we select the solder face, we left click and select New Sketch. Again, we choose Circle, we click on Accept, and we begin to dimension with the same measurements with which we had already done previously. Once the sketch has been defined, we click on Accept and go to the Operations tab. Choose Extrude Cut and change the configuration to Through All, and click on Accept. With this, we have already finished our piece. I hope this video will be of help to you, and thank you very much for watching.